Hello and welcome to today's 80 Minute. I'm Josh Stanners, going over one of our recent fit outs to a Nissan Navara double cab ute. So as you can see, we have a service tray system. This is ideal for taking consumables onto site, which this fit out is for an HVAC technician. Simply put the tray back into its allocated slot and it fits nice and snug through the side canopy window. We also have on the side a pull-out drawer, multi-positional dividers and a rubber mat. Fantastic for segregating all your gear and equipment while in transport. So this rear drawer is 350mm high, has 250 kg capacity, has a very simple integrated lock system for maximising security. On the driver's side, we have a vented sealed cabinet for oxy-acetylene gas, which is also lockable and vented underneath the vehicle. On the roof, we have a 3-bar roof rack with a ladder roller for easy storage of your ladders and longer equipment. Please feel free to give us a call today. We'd love to maximise the capacity of your workspace. Feel free to call us on 095800 477 or have a look on our website autotransform.co.nz. Thank you again.